Robot here. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate.
Oh, straight under the gate there, Hercules trying to get round the side of it. Expandabot doing a good job of dodging it, and there we go. We have our definitive answer, that's a win for Expandabot. Took about 13 seconds.
Wow, that's not a belt.
2, 1. Activate.
Ooh, a big hit! The battery instantly out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just got it on.
There we go, that's a win for Big Shot.
I'm shocked about that.
I mean,
There's a big secret. Unfortunately, the battery was straight out, and that's it.
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Give us some space to spin on. Have a bit of fun.
Robot here. Stand by.
I'm getting big signals.
Oh, that mount is mounting. Oh, big hit! And now we're in hurricane. The best 2 out of 3. Push him out instantly. Oh my goodness! And there we go. It's a win for Hurricane. I think we're going to do that one again because that was so unsatisfying. It needs to happen again.
Plus he jumped the gun again.
And did he jump the gun? Oh, I didn't notice. My apologies.
Yeah, that was a jump, so we have to go again.
So yeah, well, exactly. Yeah, that was null and void.
Icons have this one whiteboard, and then
You can jump start again. Right, Roboteers, are you ready again?
Wait, who jumped this?
He did. Stop it now. Right, Roboteers, both ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Robot here. Stand by. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Checkmate. Shuffling around with a big hit and whack. Giving him a good whacking on the floor. You have to fix the floor again now. Thanks for that. Whacking. Well, you're welcome. We get the rock in here to sing that one.
Take one you can take that cherry hub sticker off the top.
I find it funny how like you can call yourself
Really, he's trying to get a hit on some Hurricane, but not quite managing it. Oh, there was a hit. Oh, are they stuck?
I'm dead.
Oh, you're dead. You're tapping out. That's a tap out for Hurricane. That's a win for Checkmate. Checkmate. Quite literally checkmate.
Check your rope.
Check.
Chucky has got Nat, Delta V, and Killer Queen. So, all spinners. There's one. Right, sorry, how's your way?
No, it's alright, no, carry on. Right, Roboteers, we are getting this going.
The Battle of the Green.
The Battle of the Greenies. Battle of the Snot Green.
I was going to say,
Activate.
I thought you renamed that to Big Snots, right?
I renamed it to Bogey. Used to play that at school. Bogies!
Bogies!
I got thrown out of the museum for playing bogies. You joking, did it? Right.
Again, because I really want to test
Well done, Big Shot.
He beat the snot out of him.
Oh dear.
Sorry.
Very good. I'll give you that. That was very good. Meow. He's flapping away. Flapping away. This would be harder to knock out in the arena this time. Well, you think so anyway. So you got a brand new combine answer. I'll give you the key.
See you later.
See you later. I've got 20 acres and you got 43.
I won't say it, Mark.
Ow! Bang my face.
That's the dolly one, isn't it?
Ooh, you should put the combine harvester when it's in that form. Ooh, good push from non 2. Non 2 electric boogaloo. No, that's a different over.
Non 2 I really want to see, like, Nom to grab a hold of that beater as it's spinning and get yeeted backwards.
Yes, just absolutely easy.
Right, hang on. Right, do us a favour. Do us a favour, don't my curiosity. If you stop that beater for a second. Hold on, wait. Hold the fire a second. Right, Nom, go and grab a hold of that beater if you can. Grab hold of it. Pause for a second. No, grab hold. Right, now, fire up those weapons. I want to see if it'll spin it. Nope. No, apparently not. Sorry, you carry on. I just wanted to see you throw it. If you can let go, that is.
There we go.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if you had the time to throw it, but apparently not. What you about it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Did you ever see like Avengers Age of Ultron when like Thor's hammer's going past Quicksilver and he's like, grabs it. That was kind of what I was supposed to happen here. Like,
Yeah.
she's going to grab it. Whoa! There we go.
Didn't quite go as planned, did it?
Look at that! Long
So
just bite his us. Trip hazard is
Trip hazard is tripped over.
It's tripped over his own shoelaces.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 10. Oh no, why am I counting again for? He's alright on his wheels, he's good. That's technically ceased, but carry on. Why not?
We're here for a good time, a long time.
Well, this is technically the opposite.
What do we have to be at?
I'd be interested to see what would happen if you actually stuck like blades on the end of that, like just like a long piece of metal.
Cheese grater. Wales, yes.
Boom, that's it.
Ah, there we go. That's ready for Randy.
Randy Marsh.
That's really bad. Yes, I am going to make that joke again. No, you can't stop me.
I bet.
Yeah, so this is what I was saying. Oh, full speed! Hit it, man!
Full speed!
Full speed ahead, Captain!
This is
Not even half!
This is not this is ludicrous speed.
I absolutely what to say.
Do you want to finish it? Shall I
It is a
finish it?
It
If you
is.
can direct it, you got it just about.
Yeah, I'm not moving.
I'm the corner now, I think, yeah.
Are you calling it there? There we go.
Out of there.
There you are, I feel better now. Well done, Roomba. Can I just say I love the LEDs as well. Great touch.
That's the only one I know how I...
Which direction are you
I'm
going?
tired.
One. Activate.
That was a slight jump start, but we'll allow it because it's so slow.
Come here, boy.
Come here, boy. Get in there, little dog.
Oh, that wasn't very nice.
I'm going to annoy the Americans.
It's a big spinning lump of metal, it's not supposed to be nice.
Oh, something went flying off.
You sure you want to keep taunting him?
I think it's probably not a good plan to keep taunting it. I think something else is gone.
There's the other Arnold place where I can't. Or I was taunting my opponent in the Groningen the other week. There was quite a bit of my backside.
Oh, that's a massive hit.
No, hang on.
Hang on.
Are we hanging out? Are we tapping out?
No.
You just want to make sure he was mobile, yes?
Continue.
Continue, okay, you're continuing. Oh, whack! Please be careful of the floor. Oh. I turned into a monkey then. Some big hits. It's just trying to get a racket, not quite keep it in the floor. Looking the right racket.
As I have, there are a couple of nicks missing now at the bottom of Big Shot. You see that as like a chunk of
Something else is missing.
I think that's his last remaining outrigger for the hammer.
Whack him, whack him. Oh,
Let's tackle a racket.
stop trying to hit me and hit me. Oh, he did. Oh. Good run, that boy. Oh, whack. Oh, it sounds like I might stop spinning.
I'm starting to think I should have made.
There's a bit of a checkmate with literally 5 seconds left. Right.
I look a bit sad.
I forget which robot. There's one robot wanted a what?
I can't. No, hang on a minute.
Wow! Playing himself as players, takes himself out to the arena, then throws himself back in, and is now back outside again. Roomba has disappeared.
That should be banned.
Get off my roof! Get off! Stop it!
Sharpie's dribbling all over the front of checkmate. He didn't like the black and white.
Get drawn on, mate!
Give him some Dayglow orange.
Oh,
They're
orange.
stuck.
Can we
Can we run over
Drawn on! That's it!
the four guys for a moment to get them unstuck?
I will turn you into a Picasso.
Yeah, just
Can I unstick my robot too? Yeah, Benito.
And put the melty ray back in, why not? Just for a giggle. Oh goodness me, can you get it out?
There's a tunnel lift on the wall back in, even though we don't stick that one, but you know. It's really well fighting. What are you going to do?
Are you ready?
Let's try that again.
I'm going straight back.
A little bit before we go down the Sharpie gets posted in the front.
Oh, my one is backwards.
Benji just joined it, just landed on top.
Pretty right.
So we are down to Roomba, and checkmate. Now this is...
Go on, whack him.
This is chess versus checkmate.
Kill him.
Kill him.
The battery's dying.
Kill him. Why am I slowly slowing down?
It was a little control of it last week.
No, don't go out.
10 RPM. Whack.
We've still got the beats. But there's the bit. There's the win for checkmate. Right.
Very close to the battery.
Sharpie can go again if they want to go again. Get drawn on, sir. Ow!
I will not get drawn on.
Get drawn on. You will get drawn on, and you will like it, sir.
No, I will not.
Get drawn on, sir.
Oh, you exploded on me.
Hey! No, I'm mad. Sharpie is mad. Sharpie is very mad. Ow! I can't draw on you anymore. Funny enough.
Right, sweet.
I think I'll well, not that it matters.
You'll hopefully take the winner now.
I will. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
come on.
Do you want to end it there?
Do you want to agree to a draw?
Yeah.
Yes, we'll draw that one. Hey, get it, a draw. Yeah, I missed that one.
You exploded your pen on me.
Look what you've done to my lid.
Look what you've done to my TV.
Well, that serves you bloody right. Get oranged. It was good fun. I enjoyed that.